So now, do you want to go? Do you want to stay in school, or do you want to stay in voices so you can be benched? No, 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 no! Uh-oh! You blew my mind. Actually, the teacher's back. Oh. Hi, it's me. And now, I'm back. Ref 1, what are you doing in school? I don't know which right. Is it 10? You're right. Yippee! Could I go home? Yeah. Draft 2, I know 2, 5, 5, 5. What is it? 10. Oh, deal. Do 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 do.
Put all your stuff in here. What do you want in here? What do you want?